Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a secret item in Address and Press new Wicked update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Wicked update has been dropped in Address and Press, and I'm going to show you a secret item that you might miss. Okay, when you go to this room guys, you will find some lanterns, and when you click on one of the lantern, you will get the banana heel from the previous update. Okay, you just need to click on this lantern nearby this witch hat. Okay, this one, and then you will get this banana heel, and I'm going to change the color to red, for example. Okay, just like this guys. Okay, and this is the item. Okay, just click on this lantern and you will get the secret banana heel from the previous update. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the secret item in Trust and Prowse Wicked update. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.